Assalamu alaikum students. Here is the 15th video of English grammar for class 8. After the tenses, we have to start the voices. Students, voice is the quality of verb that indicates whether its subject acts or is acted upon. The distinction between active and passive voice applies only to transitive verbs. So, write down the definition. Voices are the form of verb which tells either an action is performed by the subject directly or it had been acted upon the subject. There are two types of voices in English language, active voice and passive voice. Write down the heading of active voice. In active voice, an action is performed directly by the subject. For example, he killed the snake. Passive voice. In passive voice, an action is acted upon the subject. For example, the snake was killed by him. Students, there are some rules which we have to follow when we will change active into passive voice. Okay, so write down it. We must keep in our mind while changing active into passive. Point number 1, subject becomes object and object becomes subject. Okay. Number 2, principal verb will change into third form. Point number 3, helping verb is used before third form of the verb. Point number 4, preposition by is placed before the subject. Okay students, write down the heading of present indefinite tense and then make the column for active voice and passive voice. Okay. In active voice, subject plus verb first form plus object. It means he drives a car. He is subject, drive is the verb first form and a car is object over here. When we will change it into the passive voice, object comes first, object plus helping verb is MR, okay, plus verb third form plus by plus subject. A car is driven by him. In the negative form, subject plus do does plus not plus verb first form plus object. He does not drive a car. In passive voice, object plus helping verb plus not plus verb third form plus by plus subject. A car is not driven by him. In the interrogative sentences, the formula will be do does plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. Does he drive a car? Question mark. When we will change in the passive voice, helping verb plus object plus verb third form plus by plus subject plus question mark. Is a car driven by him? Question mark. Clear? Now we will start the present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, write down the formula for the active voice. Subject plus helping verb is MR plus verb first form plus ing plus object. He is driving a car. When we will change in the passive voice, objects come first, object plus helping verb plus being plus verb third form plus by plus subject. A car is being driven by him. In negative sentences, subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. He is not driving a car. In passive voice, object plus helping verb plus not plus being plus verb third form plus by plus subject. A car is not being driven by him. In the interrogative sentences, helping verb plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Is he driving a car? In the passive voice, helping verb plus object plus being plus verb third form plus object plus by plus subject plus question mark. Is a car being driven by him? Now, present perfect tense. In active voice, subject plus helping verb has or have plus verb third form plus object. He has driven a car. Change in the passive voice, object plus helping verb plus been plus verb third form plus by plus subject. A car has been driven by him. In negative form, subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb third form plus object. He has not driven a car. In passive voice, object plus helping verb plus not plus been plus verb third form plus subject. A car has not been driven by him. In the interrogative sentences, helping verb plus subject plus verb third form plus object plus question mark. Has he driven a car? Question mark. In passive voice, helping verb plus object plus been plus verb third form plus by plus subject plus question mark. Has a car been driven by him? Okay, students? Students, you have to make 5 sentences of active voice in present tense, in present indefinite, present continuous, and present perfect. After that, you will change them into passive voice. Hope you will do it. Thank you.